Hi, this is David Morin with Site Identify. We're going to go over our basic search function. I'm going to go to my search icon up here on the left-hand side on the top of the toolbar. I'm going to click, and this is going to show all of our search criteria. Right now, I'm going to ignore these search modifiers at the top. We'll come back to that a little later on. But right now, I'm going to really focus on the search criteria, our basic search criteria. Now, first off, to conduct a search, you're going to need to zoom in on a target area. You might know of a target area, or you can use our scan function to find one. Once you're zoomed in on a target area, you can put in different criteria like the owner name. This will be any owner or entity that you think might have some properties in the neighborhood. The owner address, so if you know of a popular investor or developer that's doing a lot of activity, you can type in their address and that'll show where they're, as long as it's the address that the entities are registered to, you'll be able to find parcels that they own in the area. Property ID, this is the county identification number for the parcel. Site address, you can do anything like type in the street, or you can type in a specific address and you can narrow down your search to a specific site. Zip code, acreage, you can do anywhere, you can do 1 to 5 acres, 1 to 50 acres, you can do 0 to 50 acres. Minimum improvement value and maximum improvement value. Improvement value is the structural value of the property. So if there's a warehouse or a shed on the property, that'll be the improvement value of the property. And this is all based on county data. So whatever the county has as the improvement values. Total value is the total value of the improvement value plus the land value on the site. Year built, this is specific to any improvements on the property, and it'll tell you when they were built. Property use, you can pick different property uses like commercial improved, duplex, multifamily. This is how the county or the city classifies properties, and it's going to be dynamic. So you're only going to be able to search for things that are actually in the map screen. You won't pick something like single family residence, mobile housing, and not get a search result. All of these are somewhere on the map right now. And then finally, we have base zoning. So if you wanted to put in a base zoning like MF, which is multifamily, as long as you know the abbreviation of the zoning code, you can enter them into the platform and conduct a search. So I'm going to do a really quick search. I'm going to do a minimum of 2 to 5 acres, the max improvement value of 500,000, and a max total value of 5 million, max year built of 2,000, and I'm going to skip this property use and base zoning code for now. I click search, and you're going to see that a few properties that meet that criteria have appeared on the map. They're going to be highlighted in green. If I click on one of these properties, it'll give me a little information bar here, and I can click around, find out more about the property. All of our search results will now be on the left-hand side of the screen. If you want to go back, you just click on this return arrow. We can either clear our search criteria below, or we can add to it. Nothing found with that. Overall, I hope this training helps, and that's our basic search function.